Hey everybody, welcome back to the Crazy Pop. Today, as you can see, we're back on the Blackstone again. Me and a fella at work got to talking, you know, maybe something new, something different. We come up with, as you can see in the title, the QuessaPhilly. Common sense, you can figure it out. It's quesadilla, Philly cheesesteak, kind of put together, but we're gonna put kind of a twist on it and do it a little bit different. I really don't know how to explain it to you other than just show you. So let's get to griddling. All right, for this recipe, we're gonna use some steaks. I know you can get a lot better steak than that. If you want to, that's great, but that's what we picked up for this. Got some provolone cheese, got some 4 tortillas, we got a Fiesta blend cheese, some bell peppers and some onions and some queso dip, and picked up some chipotle sauce to kind of top it all off. So let's get putting this thing together. It's gonna be a QuessaPhilly. All right, we got the Blackstone good and hot. I think first we'll put a quesadilla down, or a tortilla, I mean. Put that down, get that going a little bit. Let's get some of the steak over here going. Kind of get it all cooking together here. I really don't know how the steak is gonna turn out. We're gonna try it. What we'll do is go ahead and put some cheese right here. We're gonna make 2 cheese quesadillas. Now this shouldn't take long to make. Go ahead and get our peppers and onions on here also. Get them to sauteing up. That's probably gonna take the longest to cook. And what we'll do on these cheese quesadillas now, we will go ahead and throw the other tortilla on it, like so. I say this is something we came up with the other day at work, and we figured we'd give it a try. Not really sure how this is going to turn out. We're going to try it. Hey, it can't be bad. Philly cheesesteak, quesadillas. Yeah. Get all these cooked down good. In case you're wondering, I have everything on low right now. And it is smelling so good already. I don't know how it's gonna turn out for us taste-wise, but I tell you what, it's smelling good already. These peppers and onions, I love cooking peppers and onions on this thing. Just for the smell of it, if nothing else. Kind of keep these turned, make sure they don't burn on either side. Get that Fiesta blend cheese all melted down. Let's cover these up a little bit. Let them simmer. I didn't bring my water bottle out here. Normally I'd sprinkle a little water on there, kind of steam them a little bit. Let's see how this works. I say I'm new to all this. If y'all got any tips, tricks, any comments, hey, leave them below. I'd love to hear them. And yeah, I know I could use a better steak than this, and next time I might. This is kind of something we just dreamed up and kind of decided to throw together. These cooking pretty good. Still a little crunchy, and that might be all right, but I think for this I want them to cook down a little more. Let's get our queso dip warming up here. And that's one thing we like doing around here is trying new stuff. So if you got any ideas, anything you'd like to see us try, hey, let me know that in the comments below too. Be glad to hear it. And while you're just sitting there enjoying this beautiful view of the griddle, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. This is going to be interesting. I will say that. Oh yeah, this thing's cooking up good. Have to cook a little bit longer. Probably a lot more queso than I'm going to need, but hey, we got some chips in there to go with this. And if we like it, we'll make a lot more of these for supper tonight. I got a feeling that's what's going to happen. Now, the crazy wife don't like all these peppers, so I'd have to leave all these off on hers. But all the crazy kids love the peppers. They're at school right now, in case y'all are wondering where the whole crazy family is at. I'm all alone and got bored, decided to cook something. Oh, look at that beautiful queso dip. Tortillas are browning up good. With some pretty quesadillas there. All right. So what we'll do now is, we'll take one of these, put a little steak on it. Just cover it up in a steak. Move this back a little bit. All right. Put some peppers on there. Now I didn't say wasn't gonna be messy, but it's gonna be good. Usually anything that turns out messy like this turns out to be really good. Let's get some of this other stuff out of the way here. So you can see what we're doing. All right, now we'll take our provolone cheese. And there is the Philly cheesesteak, part of it. In between two, we'll take a little bit of this queso, put on here, like so. We're gonna try a little bit of this chipotle. See how it is, I gotta open it. Put a little bit of chipotle on here. Well, maybe, there we go. And then we'll take the other cheese quesadilla. Just push it down, look at that. And what we'll do is, to kind of get it all together, we'll baste it. We'll let that cook and get all them cheeses kind of blended together and melted down and make it all ooey and gooey. And we're gonna take this thing up and cut it and see how it is. Let's check on it. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Let's take this thing up and see how this is gonna be. All right, now is the moment of truth. Let's find out how good we did here. Pizza cutter might be better. I don't know. All right, let's open this thing up and take a look here at what we got. Oh, look at that. Y'all see that? That is gonna be delicious. I mean, look at it, all gooing out over there. You can't tell me that's not gonna be good. With some chips and this hot queso we have, hey, be sure to try it out. All right, there you go. There's the QuessaPhilly. Be sure to try it out, see what you think. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of this. I believe we're gonna make a lot of these tonight for supper. Hey, hit that subscribe button. It's free, it don't cost you a thing. Subscribe, I would appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up, give me a like. Let me comment below down what you think. Be sure to check us out next time.